Hello friends, let us now learn some important points about T cells. Okay, so if you see in the T cells we will see first classification. Okay, T cells are mainly divided into three types, actually T helper cells. So actually first T cells are divided into two types. Okay, we have T helper cells and T cytotoxic cells. Okay, first we will see about T helper cells. Now the T helper cells are divided into three types. Okay, T helper cells are divided into three types, that is T helper 1 cells, T helper 2 cells and T helper 17 cells. T helper 1 cells are important in interleukin 2 and interferon gamma. This T helper 2 cell will activate the T helper 1 cell, and this T helper 2 cell also activates the NK cell, and it also activates the T regulatory cell. Okay, this interferon gamma is important in granuloma formation. So if you see, this T helper 1 cell will produce interleukin 2 and interferon gamma. This interleukin 2 activates the T helper 1 cell in turn again. This will also activate NK cell and also activate T regulatory cell, whereas interferon gamma activates the granuloma cell. Then we have T helper 2 cells. It produces this T helper 2 cell will produce interleukin 4, interleukin 5 and interleukin 13. This interleukin 4 is helpful in isotype switching, whereas interleukin 15, it is important in eosinophil activation. So it will activate eosinophils, whereas interleukin 13 will produce mucus. Then if T helper 17 are activated, this results in the production of interleukin 17 and interleukin 22. These both will help in monocyte and neutrophil recruitment. So these are the types of T helper cells. Now we also have T cytotoxic cells or CD8 T cells. These CD8 T cells, actually they will kill the cells. Okay, they are cytotoxic to the cells, that is they will kill the tumor cells or virus containing cells or bacteria containing cells. So this killing can occur by apoptosis, that is by Fas and Fas ligand. Okay, this killing also occurs by perforin and granzyme. With the help of perforins and granzymes also this killing occurs. With perforins in the cell, small holes are produced and this will kill the cell. Okay, so these are the important points about T helper cells and T cytotoxic cells. Thank you for watching.